Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make some delicious egg and veggies Hakka noodles. So let's get started. First, bring water to a boil. Add salt as needed and switch off the gas. Add the Hakka noodles. Cover with a lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then drain the noodles and set them aside. Now heat a pan and add a little oil. Crack in 3 eggs. Season with salt, turmeric powder, pepper powder and scramble them. Set the eggs aside. Take 10 to 12 chopped garlic cloves, 2 slit green chillies, 1 sliced onion, cut 2 carrots and 1 capsicum in julienne. In the same pan, add a bit more oil. Toss in some chopped garlic, slit green chillies, and sliced onions. Add your favorite veggies and saute for few seconds. Next, stir in a dash of red chilli sauce, green chilli sauce, and soya sauce. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and stir fry for few seconds. Now add the cooked noodles and give everything a quick stir. Add a dash of tomato sauce, a little red chilli flakes, little oregano and mix it all together. Finally, add the scrambled eggs. Close the lid and let it cook for few minutes. And there you have it. Your yummy and tasty egg and veggie Hakka noodles is ready to serve hot. Enjoy! Please check the ingredients and method of cooking in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.